Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Connection and Sharing. Following that, choose Printing section. Now you can click on System Printing Service, tap on this sorter if it's not already on, and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect with. If you don't want to reuse this printing service though, you need to click on this sorter, go back and tap on Add Service. Now install the best one for you. I will go with HP one, and when it's ready, tap on the back button twice. Then click on your service and wait for it to connect. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!